Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I'm from India and guys, I'm learning English. So guys, I hope you're doing great. As you can see the weather of it's about raining and I'm sitting on a terrace, and in today's video I'll tell you a very interesting story. This story is about a boy named Aman. Aman lives in a small village. He was very honest and kind boy, and he likes to speak English, but he always speak broken English very confidently. So guys, one day he had a call in a city from a big company, and for an interview. And so he received the call and uh, agreed to go to the interview. And the next day he got ready and went to the office for give the interview. So he and in when where he went, all the persons is speak fluent in English. So he got nervous to see everyone, and but still he answered all the questions very confidently. He uh, speak um he spoke with a broken English, but he spoke with a confident. And after that, when the result came, he got selected. So what is the reasons to got selected of Aman? Raman got selected because he has a lot of confidence. He has a lot of confidence to speak English in front of the peoples. And the interviewer also got selected to Aman because he has a like a confidence to speak broken English as well. So confidence is must. Perfect English is not like important. Like I'm not saying like always we speak broken English, but first and most important thing is confidence. We have to speak whatever we are speaking, just speak with a confidence. First thing is. So guys, Aman got selected because he has a lot of confidence to speak English, and he can learn English, and he can learn correct English. But what about confidence? When whoever people's like go to the give the interview, they don't have that much confidence uh, rather than Aman has a lot of confidence. So guys, in today's video I just moral of the story, confidence is most important rather than perfect English. So guys, keep learning, keep supporting to my videos, and don't forget the like buttons. So guys, we will meet again in the next video because it's raining. So guys, bye bye.